Okay guys, hubby is just packing away all the cacti because I asked him.
Huh? What?
I said you're packing away.
Yes, so that you don't get pricked.
I don't get pricked.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna get pricked.
So that Layla doesn't get pricked.
No, I mean, I'm doing it so that you don't have to.
Okay. Thank you.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tim Tribe.
Hi guys, something arrived today. It's Cacti. We're gonna open the box and see what is inside.
Oh,
we
look
have
at that.
something similar
So
to that.
pretty.
I was repotting today all the babies that we have, so we don't have any pots anymore. I think that this is supposed to be one cactus, but it's actually several cacti. So you can break this and each one will become its own little baby. Okay, so another type. I don't think it's exactly the same as the last one. It's different. Same. This one's got a flower.
Okay, your hand also needs to be steady.
Same like the last one.
Okay.
This one's got flowers on it. That's furry.
Don't know. What do you think so far of the unboxing?
I think that we have some that we don't have. So that'll expand the collection, and then maybe we'll trade for some different ones in Cebu, maybe some succulents or some different cacti, because the selection in Cebu is a little bit different from the selection in Manila, and maybe we can find some more unique ones.
Oh, that looks interesting.
Well, that's actually two different ones. This one is something that we don't have yet, and then these ones we have. Also a few different types here. This is actually three different types. That and that are different.
So it needs to be here. Wow, that's a lot.
How are we ever gonna plant all these? It's different. That one I haven't seen yet.
Wow.
This one is the same, but
There's
that one
three
is-
different ones.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that one.
Careful.
That is different.
Let me just hold it. Further. Interesting. Look at that. Don't move it too much, huh?
It's different.
It reminds me of Pirates of the Caribbean. You know the villain. The villain that looks like a squid. Yeah, this reminds me of them. Wait, I need to pause because Layla. But another one. Don't move it, don't move it. Wow, these are so... Look at this.
That's the best one yet.
One of the best ones. I think they're all nice. Look at that. No, the camera's here. Wow.
Look at it.
Too bad it's full. One, two, three. Yeah, that one.
It's the same.
But it's awesome. Horny. That means like, I'm not gonna over and over. They're the same. Can be in our succulent plant. Oh my gosh, they're falling on my skin. They look nice. Oh, I can really feel it. Yep.
Yeah, I have a few stuck in my skin.
Yes, because it's not in the middle of the cat. Got pierced again.
That one we haven't seen.
Amidala.
But
From Star Wars.
Like a brain.
Have you? We've enjoyed our Okay guys, hubby is just packing away all the cacti because I asked him.
Huh? What?
I said you're packing
So-
away.
Yes, so that you don't get pricked.
I don't get pricked.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna get pricked.
So that Layla doesn't get pricked.
No, I mean, I'm doing it so that you don't have to.
Okay. Thank you.
But we might need another box too.
Okay, I'm gonna fetch. Still very busy. I'm so
But our box is
prickly.
like really full now. Because I was a bit lazy. Close them all.
I'm still gonna plant them. And final pieces, guys. So I think we're gonna say goodbye for now and take a shower. Oh, take a shower. You really need to.